Hi there, welcome to Friday's market commentary. Right now we're taking a look at the chart of the S&P 500, which was a pretty good day today, up around 21, almost 22 points today. Dow up 165 and Nasdaq up 23. So all in all, it was quite a nice day for us. You can see that the current trend here is still quite bullish here. I think we're up 8 out of the last 9 weeks, looking really strong. And we're coming to resistance here, which we're going to call back here to the first part of January, which is right around 943. So we're only about 11 points away from that. Doesn't have too much farther to go before we hit there. Maybe 14 more points. We're at 929 right now. So getting close to resistance. You can see that the MACD lines are still in a little bit in our overbought territory. First time it's been this high in almost 9 months now on our MACD charts. So a little bit overbought territory and coming up close to resistance at 943 over here. So I'm going to say that short term, I'm just a little bit neutral since we're near the overbought level, and long term I'm a little bit neutral too. Are we going to break through that? If we do break through, I'll start to go short term and long term bullish, and if we don't break through and start to pull back, then I'm going to go short term bearish. But right now I'm going to be neutral until we hit this resistance level and see what's going to happen with it. And we'll call support level right down through here, back here from the March-April lows, right down in this level here. All right, let's take a look at the NASDAQ and see what that's looking like for us. All right, here's chart of the NASDAQ, and we're going to say about 1786 for our resistance level, right in through here at about 1612 for support. So you can see we're coming pretty close here, and we're just going to use these highs all the way back in through here through October, November, these two little ceilings we had right here, which comes right around to 1786 over here on the NASDAQ, and we're getting really close to hitting those highs on there right now. MACDs are still a little flat. Look at how they're going flat here for the last month or so, and this little overbought territory through here. So we're also going to go short-term neutral on here since we're right up here next to resistance at 1786. Currently Nasdaq's at 1739, so we got about another 46 points to go, 47 points to go before we get there, which could happen in 1 or 2 trading days really with the Nasdaq on a good strong day. So because we're near resistance, I'm going to call ourselves short-term neutral. If we break above that, we can go short-term bullish. If we start to hit that resistance and then start to actually see some selling here for a couple consecutive days, we'll go short-term bearish. Meantime, though, we are short-term neutral on the NASDAQ and waiting for a breakout above 1786 or pull back down here below the 1612 level down through here support. Start to break that, then we'll go a little bit longer-term bearish. Meantime, we're going to remain neutral on the overall markets and hope that helps, and keep an eye on news, as news does have a tendency to change everything.